Morning guys, just left Whitby. Despite all them weather warnings, no snow at all in Whitby. No snow, no ice. In fact, it was colder a couple of days ago. So nothing at all for Whitby, but I know it snowed. It snowed through the night in Whitby and it melted within an hour of it falling, which is normally what happens unless it's really cold. But what I'm going to do today is have a drive around the North York Moors, see the sights, see where it's snowing, see where it snowed, and actually we're going to see if we can find somewhere where it's still snowing. Most places it will be raining, but I think I might know somewhere where we might just be able to find some falling snow. Egton's the first village on the highest part of the moor as you leave Whitby. Definitely snowed here, but nothing significant that warranted all these stupid amber alerts and whatnot. What I'm going to do today is just have a look about the moors. The aim, if possible, is to end up on the highest part, which, if you've watched my videos before, you'll know is Blakey Ridge. At the moment we're in Egton. We've just left Whitby. There is no snow in Whitby at all. I looked out the window this morning about 3 a.m. and it was white over in Whitby, but you could just tell it was damp and wet when you looked at it, and you thought that's not going to hang around long. And I looked back out the window about 6 a.m. and it had all gone. So no snow in Whitby, and it's currently in Whitby 4 degrees. 4 degrees. You know, it's not even below freezing. And for it to snow in Whitby, you need it below freezing. It's sort of sleeting. It's 2 to 3 degrees on the car thermometer. It's sleeting, there's water and slush everywhere. It's horrid. It's not nice. It's not a nice snow. But I think tonight it's going to freeze, and then the temperature's going to get colder through the week. So whatever's here is going to turn to ice, and it's not going to be very nice through this week coming. Right guys, this is Glaisdale. This is a famous Beggar's Bridge where we are here, and one of the reasons I always like to call it Glaisdale is these tunnels, because you always get big ice. You get big icicles hanging down, and even though it's above freezing now, it's definitely been cold in the night because the icicles are here. And I imagine this week they'll grow. Let's have a look at them at the end of the week and see how big they are. Nice. So this is Glaisdale. There's quite a lot more snow here, and it's 1 degree. It's a bit colder, but it's still raining. It's horrible raining. Yuck. This is Busco Beck above Leelome. This is the pond at Wildslack Farm at Leelome, and that's frozen over. Last time I made a video here, someone commented about the vending machine in the shed, so I'll go take a look at that. So all this meat here is produced on the farm here at Leelome, and they've got gammon, beef topside, pork and tomato sausages. I don't think the buffalo burgers are made here. I've not seen any buffaloes out there. But then again, it is Yorkshire, so you might see some. Dry cured bacon, lamb's liver, cured bacon, you name it, they've got it, and it'll be fantastic quality. Oh, and look what I found. Keeping out of a cold wind. There they are. That's probably your bacon. I've said bacon and off he goes. Look, they're not enjoying that. bacon. Hello. We don't have any food for you, unfortunately. Greedy pigs. Keeping warm in this corner. That's it, we found a warm corner out of the wind. Great fry uptail. What a place. Hello my friends, hello. Run free. Look at them go. Off they go. So this is Fry Updale. As you can see, the road's clear. The local farmers do that.
Hello!
Obviously they're contracted by the council, I think. They come out and they clear the roads, plough them, grit them, and that means the communities out here can still move about. As long as it doesn't get too bad, the people who live out here can get out to the shops and see relatives and whatnot. And you know, that's another unseen thing that farmers do. Some people are giving them a bit of stick. But, you know, I support the farmers. I'm with them 100%. They work hard. They look after their community. And I don't think Starmer and whatever should be stealing from them. To get a bit more sleet coming down now. I think, you know, we're maybe only a few hundred feet off it being snow. I think maybe as we get up onto Blakey Ridge, I say if we can get up there, it might not be possible. But as we get up onto Blakey Ridge, it'll probably be snowing up there. Now, I did just see a barn owl down there at that farm, but whether or not we'll get a good look at it, it's quite a way off. Whether or not we'll see it, well, I'll keep my eyes open as we go. I did see one yesterday hanging around Lelome. We tend to have to feed all day at the moment with the weather being bad, and just take every opportunity to get out and feed. Yeah, I made a quick pit stop there for a coffee at the Cycle Hub, Fry Up Cycle Hub. It's a bit of an oasis in the desert out here. But they make lovely coffee, cakes, food, and always got a fantastic fire on a cold day. It's a great place to drop by. onto Blakey Ridge, just above Castleton here, and it is 2 degrees, just dropped to 1.5 degrees, and it's raining. Well, if it's not snowing here, it's not snowing anywhere around here. Blakey Ridge is a place that always gets the snow, and it's currently raining. 1.5 degrees. Got to climb up a bit yet though, so it might change on the top. Right, we're almost at Ralph's Cross. Ralph's Cross here on the right hand side, you just see it coming out of the fog, and the temperature is 0.5 degrees. This is usually the coldest part of the moor. There's a road down to Rosedale there. We'll probably come back and take that road on our way back. It says it's closed, so we might not take that road. Yeah, look here now, you're starting to get what I talked about with the wind blowing the snow back onto the road. Just up here is the famous Lion Inn, Blakey Ridge pub. It's the best bar meals in Yorkshire. They're absolutely fantastic. And back in, I think it was 2009, we left here on New Year's Eve about 2 in the afternoon, and anybody who stayed longer than that ended up in that pub for about 10 days. It snowed that much, it took them a week to dig them back out. That's how bad it gets up here at times. 0 degrees, we're at freezing now. It always amazes me, you come up here and you can hardly see a car on the road. You get here and it's packed solid. That's how good the food is. Everybody comes here for lunch. Where the fuck are we gonna park? Excuse my language. Where are we gonna park? Checking I can get out. Hopefully. It's snowing. It's actually snowing. So here we are, guys. It's the Lion Inn pub on Blakey Ridge, and it's actually snowing. We've found snow at last. I knew there'd be snow here. It's snowing like mad up here. Only 100 foot or so below us, and it's rain. So we're at the highest point of the moor right here. I don't think it's quite at John Street levels, but there's certainly quite a bit of snow up here, and it's snowing as we speak. I'm going to get away soon, don't want to get stuck out here. The temperature on the car is 0 degrees, but I reckon it must be about -90 wind chill up here. I am frozen.
Jesus.